Hello class, this is Renee Leach for Education 631, Foundations of Educational Technology and Online Learning. This particular assignment is the distance learning lesson. In this lesson, I'll be teaching how to create an online blog. Specifically, through the website of EduBlogs. You can go to this website at www.edublogs.org. I picked this website because it's specifically for educational purposes. Who can use this blog? Teachers, educators, students, educational institutions, and school districts. This is just a list of a few organizations and individuals who typically use EduBlogs. Here are my references, just to get them out of the way, and just for your reference if you would like to go back for additional information. So now I am actually going to close this PowerPoint down and I'm going to get the process started. So in order to make an EduBlog, you're going to go to any internet browser that you have on your computer, and I am using Google Chrome. So I'm going to write in up at the top, or type in up at the top, www.edublogs.org, and then I'm going to press enter. Once the page has loaded, you should see the screen before you. And as you can see, this particular website has been around since 2005, and it's the world's most popular education blogging service. And it also has been serving over 2 million blogs since then. So you can just scroll down and get a better feel for the services that are offered through this website if it interests you. They have some information about ways to use EduBlogs. I believe they have a mobile app, and you can download the app also on like your iPod, your iPad, iPhone, I believe your Kindle as well. You can post videos, podcasts, documents. And it's also free, which is a plus. You won't see any advertisements or inappropriate content, and that's why it's key for this to be an educational website, because it's specific to the topic of education. And it's great for networking. You can also connect to your educational institution if they have an account with EduBlogs, and even whole districts use EduBlogs for online learning and also just different ways for teachers to communicate with students and various technology skills like that. So to go ahead and start making our blog, you're going to go to the login down drop box and click that, and you click login. Now you're doing this so you can get to the register option, which is down at the bottom, and it's highlighted in blue where my cursor is. I'm going to go ahead and click that as that page is loading. Okay, it loaded already. I'm going to just create a fictitious username called Jelly Beans, because jelly beans are awesome. Oh, and you know what? That username is already taken, so I'm just going to try and diversify my username. Sometimes that happens. I'm just trying to create another name that might not have already been taken. Alright, we'll see that. That's just another fictitious username that I just came up with. And you do not have to put an email address on there if you do not wish to. I am not going to. So now it's time to put your password in. You can just make that up. I'm just going to put anything that I can remember. Okay, there we go for that. And then it goes to the Your Blog section, and it just displays your username with the added website. So this is how you can get to your blog if you copy and paste this entire thing and into a web browser, that your blog will come up. Here you can create a blog title. I'm going to create another fictitious class here, and I'm going to call it Class of the Awesome Language English, or whatever your preferred language is. And then blog type student, because I'm a student. If you're not a student, you would put the appropriate answer. And this is just a verification code here. They also have an option where my cursor is for you to click and to hear. If you have visual, if you're an individual who's living with some type of visual impairment, you have the option to actually hear the letters that are presently on the screen, but I can see well, so I'm going to go ahead and add what is on the screen. Now, I've already read the terms of service, so you can go ahead and do that at your own discretion. And if you agree with the terms of service, then you go ahead and say I agree. You click on there, and then you have a start blogging option, so you're going to go ahead and click that. And if everything works successfully for you, you should see this screen that came up, and it says congratulations, that I'm good to go and I'm ready to start. So now I have all my information. If you would like, you can copy all this information or do a screen capture so that all that information is there for you whenever you need it. And it also has my password there, which also could help you, so then you remember what you have. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and click here to log into your new blog. As that is loading, I have the page here. I have the option to create different things on my blog. Like here it says customize the look of your blog, change your theme, things like that. You can write a new blog post. You can do all sorts of things here now. And you also, to the left of your screen, have a lot of material that will help you navigate and organize your blog so that you have all your information easily accessible. And so you also have here a welcoming post that is on your blog. Let's actually go to view your blog, and you can see what you have so far. This is just a default image or theme that you have here. You can change it if you'd like. And here's the welcome comment from EduBlogs to you. So congratulations, you have successfully created a blog through the website EduBlogs. Thank you.